mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. July 7, 2024, Sunday Racing, unang linggo sa buwan ng July. 7 races ang naka-line up sa nag-iisang Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Race number 1, umpisa ng winner take all covering races 1 to 7. First and only choice, number 4, Lady Louise. Race 2, first choice, number 6, Lucky Julian. Second choice, number 4, 7 of Diamonds. Race 3, first choice, number 2, Fit Bell. Second choice, number 4, AP Factor. Race 4, first choice, number 3, Puting Kabayo, Captain Bob. Second choice, kabayo ng may-ari ng Lady Louise at Lucky Julian, Quadra de Sena. Number 9, Hiroshima. Third choice, number 4, Ala Sabon. Race 5, first and only choice, number 5, Beatrice. Race 6, race na may Pentapekta. First choice, number 5, Heroes of Caloocan. Second choice, number 8, Malabon King. Race 7, last race na may Super 6. First choice, coupled entry, 7, Service Deluxe. 7A, Elegant Lady. Second choice, number 2, Crown Prince. Lagyan natin ang third choice, ang aking sentimental favorite na kabayo. Dahil noon ay first choice natin ito, nanalo ng dihadong-dihado, number 6, Yana Silver. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!